Here I have Huawei Y7 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be calendar. Let's simply assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I have to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys just for about 2 seconds. As you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously for about 2 seconds, and you just capture the following screen. So that's it. What's more, you can also use other method of taking screenshots. Just use the upper bar twice and choose screenshot. Let me show you again. Use upper bar twice, and from the following icon, let's tap screenshot. That's it. Now if you would like to share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures, let's find the screenshot folder. You can do it by using the gallery right here, and under albums, for example, you can choose screenshots. Now you can choose your desired screenshot and share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.